In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys 3 ways I style my kinky ponytail. Once again to my channel. My name is Oluwayemisi if you're yet to meet me, and some people call me Shante. Today I'm back with a very quick and short video, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys ways in which I style my kinky textured ponytail from Natural Girl Wigs. As you all know, I wear a lot of hair pieces from Natural Girl Wigs, and this is just one of them. So due to popular demand, I'm going to be showing you guys how I style it and what it looks like after styling it. So if you like to see what today's video is like, let's get right into the video. So for the first style, I'm going to be packing it to the side, and I'm going to be packing it to the side, and I'm going to be patting it right here. But before I start, I'm going to wet my hair so that it's easier to handle and maneuver around. Basically how I want the hair part. So now I'm just going to be applying some gel to make it sleep, and I'm using the Anti-Jackie's Don't Shriek flaxseed elongating curling gel. So I'm now going to use a scrunchie to pack this, and I'm going to make it as tight as possible. So now that is done, I'm going to take the pony, and using the clip inside, I'm going to clip it right here because I want the pony to like fall to the side, and then I'll take both the ends with the rope in it and just tie it around the parts that I have bound my hair into. And I'm just going to tighten it. So just to cover up this part, I'm going to be taking a bit of the hair, and with the remnant of the ribbon that I used to secure the bun, I'm going to wrap it around. And I'm just using a bobby pin to pin the end so that it secures it. And this is the first style. This is what it looks like. So for this style that I'm about to show you guys, I don't know how I'm going to explain it, but I'll just show you what I want to do, and I hope that you understand. So I'm taking my scrunchie and I'm going to be packing. So I'm going to take the pony again, and I'm first of all going to clip this to secure it on my head, and I'll wrap the rest of it around as I've done before. So this is the second style. It's pretty much a top bun with some bit of drama at the back, and this is what it looks like. I'm going to be packing the bun with, I'm going to take this out from the scrunchie. So I'm sectioning this part of my hair out of the hole, and while I hold on to this, I'm going to pack this and just leave it at the back for now. We'll come back to it. I'm going to deal with this first. Okay, so I'm going to be parting this in sections. So before I do this, I'm going to apply some gel all over this so that it slips. And I'm just packing that portion with a small rubber band. So we have this. So I'm going to do the same thing like 3 to 4 times over this portion. And then marrying both together. So this is the second step done. My hands hurt like hell, and this is the fourth step. I'm just going to pack this as well as I have been doing to the others. Okay, so that done, I'm going to be taking these little silver things and I'm going to be putting them at each section. Okay, so this is what I have so far. That wasn't easy at all. So now I'm going to be applying some gel to the sides so that I can pack it to the back. So taking my scrunchie, I'm going to pack this. So this is what we have so far. So I'm going to use the clip to clip this into my hair. And I'm just securing the ribbon at the back. So the pony is pretty secure now. And I'm just going to be applying some gel and fixing my edges. And this is what we have. So this is what the style looks like finished. I really hope you enjoyed today's video and the time that you spent with me, even though it was really short. If you're yet to subscribe to this channel, just go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you as part of this family. Don't forget to hit that like button. Leave a comment for me below. Let me know what you'd like to see next, your suggestions and your input and so on and so forth. With that being said, let's see and chat in my next video. I love you guys and I cannot wait till the next time. Mwah.